guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for August. It's really cute this month. Has a little leaf there that says Ipsy, and it's kind of like a slick material. The first item I did get is a little brush here. This couldn't fit in the bag, so they have it on the outside. It's just a little blending brush. And inside, did get a card. Hotel Paradise. Does not tell you the items in the bag. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Let's take a look. From e.l.f. we have Luminous Putty Primer Universal Glow. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've tried anything from e.l.f. I don't always use primer either, but that looks like a full size. It's a really big product in there. Then we have Orza Beauty, perhaps. This is a Glow Up Lip Balm in Vanilla Dew. I like when they're in tubes like that because you can kind of like squeeze it and help get the product on there when it's getting low. So that looks full size as well. Then we have a sample Dream Eye Cream. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and this is an overnight eye cream from Youth to the People. Cute little packaging. I like the color of that. And the last item looks like a mascara from Beauty Jasmine Lush Lash Volumizing Mascara. Cool, could always use that. I feel like this was a really good bag this month. We only have one sample and everything else. I don't know if this is full size, but it's a pretty big product. And this and this and the brush obviously makes it definitely worth it. So if you guys would like to subscribe to Ipsy, I have all their information below. And if you would like to see past month's bags, I have a playlist in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.